our beautiful trip with the two beautiful ladies from Germany.
Thank you.
Ooh, Dankeschön. Hope you enjoyed the trip we
Yeah,
doing
sure.
today. Thank you. Well, she said this is Japanese strawberry. It looks like with a fungi. She said this is sweet. Let's try. Hmm. Hmm. Is it sweet, girls?
Yes, they are.
Wow.
And yes, I need this for you. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Ah, okay. Little color. And then on the top, Japanese. Okay. Japanese. This is all California. This Bali. But
Okay.
same like same like.
Do you like it, girls?
Mhm.
Yeah?
Oh.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, the one looks like with fungi. It's Japanese. She said this must be sweeter than the other. Flower. This flower looks like a plastic, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
But it is flower, yeah?
Can I touch this?
Yes, yes, you can touch it. It's soft, soft.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Looks like plastic, but this is real flower. Also on this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also you can take picture here. This one with the yellow one. Oh, my beautiful clients want to make picture by the bamboo gate. Ooh. Oh, finally the juice arrived. The juice girl. Juice woman. Oh, my beautiful clients drinking juice. Invite me. Thank you for invitation, guys, girls. Oh, look at my juice. Oh, this organic one here on the left side, and then an unorganic one here. It's whatever you choose. Oh, the girl singing. Okay, we are continuing today most where the most fruit is at the backyard. That's exactly what she told. There's more fruits here, more strawberries. You can eat as much as you like. Eh? You think it's enough?
Kinda full.
Full, okay. Nice juice,
Yeah, very tasty.
tasty. He said with honey, pure honey, with less sugar. It's organic juice fruit, strawberry fruit
Yeah.
juice.
Tukang tampaknya tuh yang penting
three. One, two, three. Cross your leg. One, two, and three. Nice pose. Incredible pictures. Huh? Incredible photo.
cái đầu
Turn up. Close your legs. Look at this. Beautiful clients. Making selfie spot in the beautiful
1, 2,
viewpoint
3.
of the lake. Yeah, the mountain.
1, 2, 3. Looking each other. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Solo?
Solo. Solo traveler. Solo. Do you want to buy yourself? Together. Monkey by the lake. Monkey, beautiful girls. That way, please. Girls, that way. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So that is the north coast of Bali. Can point that. North coast. Yeah, Lovina is on the other side. A little bit further to the west, on that direction. See the typical landscape of North Bali, which is a bit drier than the south. Well, all the economic here is supported by agriculture. It's like a coffee plantation, clove plantation. Beautiful clients today. Whoa, from Hamburg. Girls, say hello. Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, girls, for joining this beautiful trip.